Irregular periods are considered to be quite a common problem in women, caused by various factors like weight loss, medical condition and lifestyle. This common problem has the ability to result in unwarranted stress, which lead us to look around for solutions that are safe and natural. Here's some of the most effective natural ways you can induce your periods. Take a glass of water, and add few pieces of chopped ginger roots to it. On a low-medium flame, boil the water for few minutes. Turn off the flame after 5 to 10 minutes, let it cool down, strain the tea and serve. Ginger tea is one of the most powerful herbs with magical properties that stimulates menstrual flow, resulting in promotion of menstruation. Ginger can be consumed in the form of tea, or fresh ginger juice, with some honey, or just as raw ginger along with honey. Drink a cup of fresh ginger juice with water, every morning on an empty stomach for a few days, before the regular date. Papaya is one of the most effective and available home remedies to prepone your menses. Raw papaya stimulates contractions in the uterus and can help in inducing periods. The carotene present in papaya stimulates the estrogen hormone, thereby inducing early period. Papaya can be consumed raw, or in the form of papaya juice, 2 times a day. 1 cup of papaya juice, or 1 bowl of fresh ripe papaya can be eaten to get early periods. Besides this, avoid aerated drinks and caffeine, because they interfere with your monthly cycle, thus resulting in delayed periods. Before trying any of these home remedies, it is important to know the causes of delayed periods. If you are late on your period because you are pregnant, then avoid using these home remedies. Hence, consult a doctor and consume these foods carefully. I hope you liked the video. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.